Good morning, guys. It's Jamie Vaughan, Jay's Heating Air Plumbing. We're here today with Miss Irene Boyd. She's the winner of our Randy Vaughan Memorial System Giveaway, the first of many to come. Talk a few minutes about the system. She's already reported to me this morning about some great savings already on her power bills. We're very thankful. Like I said, my dad meant a lot to the community, and we're just so excited to give back. Irene, how did the installation process go with the guys?
It went wonderful. They were all so nice, and they worked, and you couldn't ask for a better group. I don't know if they work together all the time, but they were helping each other. I take them boys anytime.
Well, thank you. So the system, everything looks great.
Yes, it
It's
does.
a really good looking job. The system we know, like I say, could you mention again kind of what this is like? You've already seen with your power bill savings, the usage.
I looked this morning. I always check and see how much I use every day or every other day. Before the system was put in, I was using from 30, I think it's kilowatt hours, all the way up. It was like 40 and 50, and that was for last week. They installed Wednesday and Thursday, I think. Thursday we turned it on, and I went back and looked, and since it's been on, I've been using like 11 and 12.
Wow.
And I was just so tickled. I thought, yes.
That's amazing.
Yes. I am just so pleased. I just thank the Lord. I am just so pleased with the whole thing.
Well, thank you. And and Irene has been a very big promoter of us on Facebook. She likes all of our posts, so we're just we look at this as a win-win. And guys, we're gonna wrap up and get out of the cold. But again, thank you so much. Tune in next year. We're gonna be giving away another system. And thank you, Irene.
Thank you. I appreciate it so much.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.